Today I wanted to share with you how I turned an old Fuji 10-speed bike into some cash, help my channel grow, and give a tired old bike new life. I picked this bike up this summer from Facebook Marketplace for just $25. I love the look of these old school bikes and thought this would be a fun project. This bike has friction shifters, a steel frame with nice lugs, and 27-inch wheels. I'm not sure how old this bike is, but I would guess it's from the early 80s or late 90s. However old it is, this bike will make a great commuter for someone. My goal for this project was to build it on a budget to maximize my profit. The disassembly went smoothly with the exception of removing the crank arms. This old school bike used cotter pins to secure the cranks. I've never worked on these before and it was a chore to remove them. After disassembly of the bike and inspection of the components, I found that the following needed to be replaced: the cables and cable housings, 10-speed chain, bar tape, and the rear wheel since it was damaged. Let's review the costs. I'll put a running total in the upper left-hand corner. The bike was only $25. A new 10-speed chain was $15. The cables and cable housings were $15. New bar tape was just $10. A new used 27-inch wheel was free from my parts bin, and I decided to paint the frame for a cost of $10. This is a grand total of $75. I listed it on Facebook Marketplace for $120 and it took several weeks to find an interested buyer. It's the end of the summer and the used bike market here is slowing down. I met the buyer a short time later and they were willing to pay me $100 for the bike, and my wife would be happy that yet another bike was gone from the house, so I walked away with a profit of just $25. This was a win in my book, but wait, money is not the only currency I'm interested in. I want to grow my channel. The build video, linked in the description, did better than average. As of recording this, that video has received over 2,200 views and added 26 new subscribers to the channel, and these numbers keep climbing. Thank you for your support, and if you enjoyed this content, please consider hitting the like button. I hope this video has inspired you to keep an eye out for potential flips in your neighborhood. And if you want to watch the full build video, click on the card on the screen now.